Well, despite that assurance from Upton, some local Republican leaders are reacting to this new legislative push in Lansing, vowing to resist to any new measures.
They're looking to make certain areas Second Amendment sanctuary counties. Fox 17's Matt Whitghost is speaking with a member of the GOP today. Matt, how are they planning to get that done?
Well, Josh Janet's Kent County GOP spokesperson says they're calling on elected leaders. The spokesperson says they need to back the Constitution. A constitutional law professor says it's not that easy.
We are here really to protect the Constitution and the bylaws of the Republican Party.
Kent and Ottawa County GOP sending out these letters laying out for the sheriff, prosecutor, and commissioners to make their counties Second Amendment sanctuary counties.
Really, it's quite simple because the U.S. Constitution is very clear. The Second Amendment gives Americans the right to keep and bear arms. I mean, how can any elected official who took the oath to protect the Constitution argue against that?
Michigan State House lawmakers are looking over a series of gun bills in Lansing, universal background checks, safe storage laws, and extreme risk protection orders.
They want the public to believe that this is a gun violence problem, and they are exploiting the recent violent attack at MSU to remove the right for citizens to protect themselves.
Moving forward might be tricky. Devin Schindler has studied constitutional law for decades.
I started studying the Constitution actually as a Boy Scout. That the sheriffs, the prosecutors, and other folks at the county level make state that they agree to defend the laws of the state of Michigan and the laws of the United States and the Constitution of the United States.
Schindler says what the GOP is asking for elected leaders to do is not easy.
We have two levels of government. We have states and the federal government. The states are under no obligation to enforce federal laws.
He says ultimately this push is going to fall on the courts to decide.
Again, it's not for them to decide whether a law is unconstitutional. They need to enforce the laws. They took an oath of office to enforce the state laws. And if they fail to do so, they're violating their oath. Let the court system decide the nature of our constitutional rights and not prosecutors or sheriffs.
I bet you might better. Probably.
We did reach out to the Kent County prosecutor and the sheriff's office. We have yet to hear back from them. In the newsroom, I'm Matt Whitghost, Fox 17 News.